Okay, you want me to record a happy birthday for her?
Yes, yes.
Oh, okay. Does she like? Oh, with you? Okay, you can come. I'm actually shooting my video, but right. Okay. Why me?
No, stop. Mahia, his name. Mahia.
Her name is Mahia?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mahia, sister, happy birthday.
But why should I sing for her?
Huh?
Why should I sing for her? Okay, anyway. Okay. Alright, should I start? Are you singing too?
Mahia kan na tuloy ko ni Zulat.
Okay.
Mahia, sister, happy birthday.
So I should sing in my language or in English?
English.
Oh, okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mahia, right?
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Photo.
A photo?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, you guys are sweet. Where are you guys from? Kazakhstan?
Yeah.
Nice.
Thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Thank you.
I'm sure you're welcome.
Thank you.
So guys, I have an international trip coming up soon, but I'm finding myself not excited for it, which is really weird because I love travel and travel is me. I don't know why I feel this way, but I think part of it is because, guys, let me hook you up. If you want an easy travel life, if you want to not stress like me about travel, about your destination, about like a lot of things, about your visas, about everything like that, about passport photos even, you can hook yourself up with iVisa, okay? Do yourself that service. I think part of the reason that I'm stressed is because there's like a lot of paperwork that I'm currently doing. There's like a lot of prep that I'm currently doing. Recording this video right now, I don't even know if I'm still gonna go there or I'm gonna cancel. I don't know, but I've already paid. I have a ticket already, I have accommodation already, and my visa is underway. So I don't know, actually I have a lot to lose if I don't go on this trip, but also I'm just like, mental health is a priority in this instance. So I really am just in a space I've never even been on, and I think maybe it's PTSD from like COVID and being locked down and not being able to travel. And I'm probably thinking if I go back to my country, I'm gonna be locked down again, because thing is, because my visa is a little bit late, I cannot do it here in Dubai because Dubai is saturated. A lot of people are going where I'm going, so the only closest date I can get is next year, and I have to go to this destination in a couple of months, so I can't wait for next year, which is why I should go back to my country and do the visa there. I think part of my stress is that I have to go to South Africa, and I'm still like, why should I go? Because I'm just like scared anything could happen. Pandemic is waiting for Zano to get to South Africa, and then finally it locks her down. So I don't know. I think that is the main issue that I have with me actually going to do my visa in my country. So I will hook you up with iVisa, and if you're planning to travel, I knew that I had to travel back in Jan, but I didn't know about iVisa yet, and I had already paid for my agent, which the agent is currently processing like my whole travel, but I'm just so stressed. Like I'm so stressed. I don't know. I think it has to do with what I've just mentioned. But I hope I can look back on this video and say, yes, you overcame the PTSD and actually not being defeated by it, because I'll be very disappointed if this thing defeats me. But this is the realest emotion that I've ever felt and acknowledged that I'm feeling, because sometimes we just run away from our feelings and say, no, you know, it's real, it's real. I don't know, honestly, I don't know, but just off with Ibiza, okay? The link is in my description, and you will probably not feel like me when you have to travel. For my face, you guys, because I mean, hi everyone. Oh my gosh, today I'm so excited. I finally found a driving school, so I'm on my way actually to check it out and to do like registration and all the necessary things that I have to do. I've been looking for the driving school for the longest time, so yeah, I finally found it, and I hope it's the best one because it has the city's name on it. I mean, anything with the city name has to be the best one, right? So yeah, I'm trusting it because it actually says Dubai in it. And I don't want it to take me so long. Actually, everyone I know who's finally gotten a Dubai driver's license has taken at least a year to get it. So fingers crossed it doesn't take me that long to why do I look uncomfortable? Fingers crossed it doesn't take me that long to get it, because I mean, why should it take me that long? I know how to drive, you know what I mean? It's a pity that depending on your passport, like you have to, of course, get here and learn how to drive again, even though you know how to, or maybe you have a license in your country. So yeah, let us go. 472. South Africa. South Africa, yes. I love truffle, my favorite.
More for you.
Yum. That's amazing. Thank you. Yeah.
Next time I'll get for you.
All right, let's go. Full of you.
From my side, you know. Oh, don't let anyone know. No, because I came here for dinner.
It will take you forever.
Yeah, that's the question. Lime or lemon? See what men do to men.
Yeah, you have to do it to Nigerian men specifically.
Yeah.
You can leave the other ones, but Nigerian, do it. I think Lynn, you would plan a perfect proposal if you were to plan. Oh my God, you're so sweet. Let me show you. Aww. Man, this is so sweet. When did you do all of this?
Do it right. I know you make it.
When did you plan this?
Yesterday. I asked them to do yesterday.
And when it came, you actually were like,
I knew, and you didn't know what it was.
Like they tried to make it like it's really close.
No, they tried. It's okay.
Friend, you're so sweet. Aww.
Only sweet for the people that I care for.
Thank you, Netsu. Thank you so much.
Ashawo.
She said,